Scenario: the SpaceX rocket continuously fires its engine as it accelerates upwards. For the first kilometer of its ascent, assume that the mass of the fuel injected is small compared to the mass of the rocket. Question: for this distance, label each energy for the rocket Earth system. Choices: increasing, decreasing, and constant. The three energy labels are rocket kinetic energy, system's gravitational potential energy, and the system's mechanical energy. Let's take a look at the solution. For the rocket's kinetic energy, we would say that it is increasing. It is increasing because the rocket is gaining velocity, and it is positive. The system's gravitational potential energy is also increasing because there is an increase in height. As height increases, the gravitational potential energy will also increase. In turn, what is the system's mechanical energy? That would be also increasing. Mechanical energy is made up of the kinetic energy and the gravitational potential. They're both increasing, therefore the system's mechanical energy is also increasing. With this information, we can now look at the second question. Is this system considered to be open or closed? Please explain. Well, we would say it is open because the system's mechanical energy is not constant. Part 1 showed us that the system's mechanical energy is actually increasing. It is closed. For a system to be closed, the change in the kinetic energy is equal to the change in the potential. But in this situation, it's not. That is the reason why the system is open. The next question asks, what is decreasing then for this scenario to make sense? Energy has to be coming into the system. What is that? Well, the fuel is actually being burnt inside the rocket. That burning of the rocket fuel is a chemical reaction. The mass is decreasing, so there is a chemical energy that is doing work to increase the mechanical energy of the system. That thrust that is pushing the rocket upwards is only due to the expulsion of the burning of the rocket fuel, which is a chemical reaction. So that is what is decreasing to increase the system's mechanical energy.